Good morning, gardeners. And this video that I'm gonna show you today is an old video, but I'm gonna do a little remix. Yeah, I'm looking Cuban today, don't I? All right. Anyways, it's about soil mix. A lot of people have asked me, what do I use for my soil mix in my containers? So I want to give you this video. I made it a way back, but I still use almost the same mix. So here you have it. I hope you enjoy. This is like 2-3 years ago, so check it out. And I want to show you guys how I do my own soil mix. And I use 4 ingredients and some organic fertilizer. But I use compost, I use PMOS, I use perlite, and I use some kind of garden soil that is on sale. I get that sometimes, or sand. But when you get garden soil, most of the time, if you can see, I show you guys, look, it's very, very sandy. So that will work. I usually use Florida sand, but that's what I got right now. So it's 4 equal parts. You mix it all together. I'm gonna do it right quick so you guys can see. I'm just gonna do like half a bucket so it doesn't take me that long, but I want you to see the final product, that it looks much better than anything that you can buy at the big box store that is gonna cost you a lot of money. So let's get into it right quick. So literally, like I told you, I'm just gonna do a little bit so it doesn't take me that long, so you guys can see it. But I'm just gonna do equal parts. And when you handle the perlite, make sure you don't breathe into it, because it can be kind of like very dusty. And right now I'm literally just making one of these buckets, trying to do equal parts. I'm gonna put it in a bag so that way you guys can see the final result. But these things I buy in bulk, like the PMOS and the perlite. And these PMOS, I had it for, I would say, almost 6 months, because you don't really need a lot as long as you do it this way. The same with the perlite. And now I'm gonna come here, I'm gonna bring my nice thin, and all you do is you just mix it together. And I'm gonna show you guys at the end if I did something look better than anything. And the reason I put this equal part, it works really good for me, and it has really good drainage. But and in the long run, you save so much money. Up front, you pay more, but then after a while, it saves you a lot of money. I use this or any organic fertilizer that cover the NPKs, and I just sprinkle a little bit. You want to give it a little bit of food for the microbes that are gonna be in the containers. And again, I come back and I mix it all together. You want to make sure it's really good mix. The final product, guys. Look at it. It's black, it's rich, and it drains really, really good. So as always, nothing too complicated. Go out there, do something. Nature is gonna surprise you. That's the way I do it. I save a lot of money, and I know exactly what is in it. As always, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your time. Please like and subscribe. I see you guys in the next video. Bye now. Get your hands dirty. Go out there and do something.